Many times we have clients asking us, how do you go about disputing a lien or removing a lien from a property or from a vehicle? And even though we work mostly on motor vehicle liens and lien releases and lien mediation, the same logic applies for real estate. And this is a great article from AIA Law, which is a legal publication. Now remember, we're not attorneys, we're not giving legal advice. It talks about how to dispute and remove a lien from a vehicle, from a piece of real estate. But the same logic applies to vehicles. And if you look at the checklist, it's almost the same one that we use on vehicles. How can you tell if a lien is invalid? The debt has already been paid, right? If the debt is paid, the lien should be off of it. Or if the lien is charged off, it should be off of it. There may be filing deadlines that were missed. There may be incorrect or missing information. If the lien was not created with proper documentation, it may be invalid. What if there's false claims? The lien may have falsely inflated the principal or the interest or the payments. Also, there's notices that are required to have happen. How do you dispute a lien? Well, first of all, you request proof of the debt. You can even ask directly for a lien release. Your video will be back in 8 seconds. In the meantime, remember, you have access to live one-on-one consultation, undivided attention of a licensed certified expert in this subject and many others. We want to listen to your story. We want to hear your questions and give you expert advisement of your options. We want to tell you what we know about your situation and what options you have. Now back to your video. You file a notice to contest it. And the notice gives the lien holder an opportunity to bring forward their proper information. But in most cases, it's going to cost them more money than it's worth to do that, especially for a vehicle. You can send demand letters, which is something that is part of the process. You can file a lawsuit to remove a lien, but in most cases for a vehicle, you don't have to file a lawsuit. You can just do a court order title. Sometimes you can ask for attorney's fees, but that's only if there's very, very serious fraud on the case. Should you hire a lawyer to dispute a lien? Well, it says yes. Disputing a lien can be complicated. You may want to consider having an attorney work on this. You don't have to, and especially for a motor vehicle title or a car title, it may cost more money than it's worth. But the bottom line is that there are steps you can use to dispute a lien. This is for real estate, but the same logic applies to any type of an asset, whether it's a car, an RV, a truck. You want to look at how to get the lien removed from the property, removed from the vehicle, so you can have a title and either sell it, trade it in, whatever you want to do. So if you have more questions about short sales on a vehicle or lien release on a vehicle, you can click the link below and we'd be glad to discuss it further. Thank you for watching another video at actualhuman.com and describe.tv. Remember, if you have questions or comments about our videos, put them in the link below. Also, remember that you have availability and access to live one-on-one question and answer consultation with a licensed expert in a number of fields: investigations, insurance, surety bonds, civil court mediation, even things like real estate records research, real estate brokers, real estate mortgage lenders. In addition, you're going to find that experts are available in business segments, business development, marketing, advertising, certified licensed experts. So if you do find this content valuable and you want to delve more deeply into a subject, you can't ask YouTube a question, right? But if you want to talk to somebody live, an actual human, use the link below. Thanks for watching.